Right, back in the shop. I kind of messed y'all up a little bit. I didn't show you everything. I didn't show you all my equipment and tools and what I've been using. But we're back from vacation, and I'm going to get out here and start block sanding on this, hopefully for the last time. I doubt it, but we'll see. 2.5, I'd say, real good heavy coats, 3 coats really, good primer. I'm gonna see what we can do. Got my fan set up because we live in Alabama and it's July, almost June, sorry. I got some 600 grit. I didn't want 600, but that's all I had, so that'll work. I got my short block, a longer block, ready to go. And I don't use the spray, I use the powder. Add it on, rub it on. Okay, first pass, the 180. You can tell it's getting it. It looks pretty good. I'm sorry, we're getting a concert in there. I hope I can get that down. I'm pretty sure I'll get that down. Pretty sure I'll get that down. This may be a problem, and that little one right there may be a problem, but so far, first pass, I'm liking it. It's really only one direction too. Still got to go back this direction.